For business owners in Washington, making smart investments that improve the efficiency, appeal, and safety of their commercial spaces is essential. One of the most effective ways to enhance your building's performance and appearance is through commercial window replacement. Whether you own an office building, a retail store, or a restaurant, upgrading your windows can provide long-term benefits that go beyond just aesthetics. Here's why commercial window replacement in Washington is a smart investment for business owners. Increased energy efficiency and cost saving. Energy costs can be a significant expense for any business, especially in a city like Washington, where weather conditions vary greatly throughout the year. Older windows, particularly those with single glazing or deteriorating seals, allow air to leak in and out, making it harder for your HVAC system to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. This results in higher energy consumption and increased utility bills. Commercial window replacement allows you to install energy-efficient windows that are designed to provide superior insulation. Modern windows feature double or triple glazing, low emissivity, low E coatings, and gas-filled spaces between the panes to minimize heat transfer. This keeps your building cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, reducing the need for heating and cooling. As a result, you'll see a noticeable reduction in energy costs, which can lead to significant savings for your business in the long run. Enhanced curb appeal and first impression. The appearance of your commercial property plays a critical role in how your business is perceived by potential customers and clients. If your windows are old, cracked, or discolored, they can create a negative first impression and may make your building look worn out and outdated. This could potentially drive customers away before they even step inside. Upgrading your windows provides an opportunity to enhance your building's curb appeal and improve the first impression your business makes. Whether you choose modern storefront windows, energy-efficient glass, or custom-designed options, new windows can give your property a fresh, contemporary look that attracts customers and sets the tone for the rest of their experience. A well-maintained exterior with beautiful, functional windows can increase foot traffic and draw more attention to your business. Improved comfort for employees and customers. Comfort is crucial when it comes to creating a productive and enjoyable environment for both employees and customers. Old, inefficient windows can lead to fluctuating indoor temperatures, creating hot spots in the summer or chilly areas in the winter. Additionally, drafts can lead to uncomfortable working conditions and contribute to higher heating and cooling costs. With commercial window replacement, you can create a more comfortable interior environment for everyone in your building. New windows with proper insulation prevent drafts and maintain consistent indoor temperatures, which can boost employee productivity and ensure that customers feel comfortable during their visit. When the environment is pleasant, both employees and clients are more likely to stay longer and return in the future. Improved security and safety. Security and safety are top priorities for any business owner, and windows play a major role in the protection of your commercial property. Older windows may be easier to break into or have weak locks, leaving your building vulnerable to break-ins. Impact-resistant windows and commercial-grade window locks provide enhanced security features that make it more difficult for intruders to enter your property. These windows are designed to withstand physical force and prevent breakage, offering a higher level of protection for both your employees and inventory. Additionally, shatterproof windows can help minimize the risks associated with accidents or extreme weather conditions, such as hail or high winds. Investing in secure windows ensures that your business is better protected, reducing the likelihood of damage and theft. Noise reduction for a quieter work environment. Noise can be a significant problem for businesses located in busy areas, especially in a city like Washington, which is home to busy streets, public transportation, and construction sites. Constant noise can interfere with employees' ability to concentrate and affect the customer experience, particularly in businesses like restaurants, offices, and healthcare facilities. Commercial window replacement can help reduce external noise, making your work environment quieter and more peaceful. Modern windows, especially double or triple pane glass, offer superior soundproofing, which can block out unwanted noise from traffic, construction, and other sources. By reducing noise pollution, you create a more comfortable and productive environment for your employees and provide a more pleasant experience for your customers. Long-term durability and low maintenance. Older windows often require frequent repairs, painting, and maintenance to keep them functioning properly. Over time, worn-out seals, cracked glass, and deteriorating frames can lead to higher maintenance costs and additional hassles for business owners. Commercial window replacement gives you the chance to install windows made from durable materials, such as vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, that require very little maintenance. These materials are resistant to warping, rotting, and fading, and they will continue to perform well for years with minimal upkeep. By investing in long-lasting, low-maintenance windows, you save time and money on repairs and upkeep, allowing you to focus on running your business. Increased property value. Upgrading your commercial windows not only improves the look and performance of your building but can also increase its market value. If you're looking to sell or lease your commercial property in the future, having energy-efficient, modern windows will make your building more attractive to potential buyers or tenants. Businesses are increasingly prioritizing energy-efficient and secure properties, so upgrading your windows can make your building more competitive in the market. Conclusion. Commercial window replacement is a smart investment for business owners in Washington, offering a wide range of benefits, from reduced energy costs and increased comfort to enhanced security and curb appeal. By upgrading your windows, you improve the functionality, aesthetic value, and safety of your building, which can contribute to a better work environment, higher customer satisfaction, and long-term savings. Whether you're trying to reduce energy consumption, enhance your building's appearance, or protect your business, commercial window replacement is an upgrade that pays off in many ways.